Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to speed up your workflow by adding a shortcut to flip horizontal and flip vertical. Usually you click edit and go to transform and click flip horizontal and vertical. Sometimes that's a little bit of pain, so you can just usually what I did is add a shortcut to it. So you just go to keyboard shortcuts and menus and go to edit, go to flip horizontal and add your own shortcut. You can make your own shortcut, but what I use is Control Shift and dot. It's just the right bracket arrow tool, and then for the flip vertical, Control Shift comma. So after that you just accept and then click OK, and it should let me try it. Alright, it works. I think this is a big help if you're doing a lot of graphic design stuff and a lot of flipping and vertical and horizontal. That's it guys for a quick tip for today. Thank you guys for watching, and please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video.